What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to resize row height and column width in Microsoft Excel. Knowing how to adjust these settings can make your data easier to read and your spreadsheets more visually appealing. To get started, let's talk about adjusting row heights and column widths using your mouse, which is one of the most intuitive methods. To change the row height, click on a row number to select the entire row. Then, hover your mouse over the bottom border of the row header until the cursor changes to a vertical line with an arrow on both ends. Click and drag to adjust the height. Similarly, for columns, click on the column letter to select it. Then, hover over the right border of the column header and drag to adjust the width as needed. If you want to quickly auto-adjust the row height or column width to fit the content, double-click the border instead of dragging. This will make Excel resize the row or column to the best fit based on its content. For a more precise approach, you can right-click on the row or column header and select row height or column width from the context menu. Here, you can enter a specific measurement to set the size exactly as you want it. Another method is using the Home tab on the ribbon. Go to the Cells group and click on Format. Under this menu, you'll find options for adjusting row height and column width. You can manually set the sizes or use the Auto-Fit Row Height or Auto-Fit Column Width options, which automatically adjust the dimensions to fit your content. If you need to apply these changes to the entire worksheet, select all cells first by clicking the corner button above row numbers and to the left of column letters, or by pressing Ctrl and A. Finally, if you need to apply the same width for one column to another, use the Paste Special option. Copy the column with the desired width. Right-click on a target column, go to Paste Special and choose Column Widths. This will apply the width of the copied column to the selected column without altering the data. This tutorial covers the most efficient methods to change row heights and column widths in Excel, allowing you to quickly format your spreadsheets for better readability and presentation. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.